15 degrees. Full aft way back in the Delta at 67 degrees. From the original 100, we went down to 93. It has been reduced to 60, and now the publications around the world say that there are 43 still flying. Predecessor North American Aviation became Rockwell, so in the history, the B-25 has some history in this airplane. The T-6 Texan, the T-50. Just above an ocean, and then a shoreline. Has a prescribed number of feet. 10 up the mountain, down low, under the radar. Then over the top of the mountain, down the backside. The throttle goes back, nose goes down, autopilot takes over. When the crews get to the destination, the crew aboard, they are fresh for the mission. Crew aboard, aircraft commander, the co-pilot, the offensive systems officer, and the defensive systems officer. And we see that swing wing design in our history. Well, the star of the original Top Gun movie was the F-14.